Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Safira. I will present my group presentation revision. I'm from group 5. This is my group member Reka, Safira, me, and Zahratun. Symbol and imagery of the poem Spring and All by William Carlos Williams. In the first line, the images of continuous hospital puts us just for a moment in completely human world. Everything that follows is natural, but here, for just a second, we are stuck in the place of disease, with its white shade and the smell of disinfectant. William is too sly to tell us exactly what the hospital means, but sitting where it does, we can be sure that this is not just a random location. Then again, if we are going to make a deal out of the hospital, it would not be fair to leave out the road. It is not as exciting as a continuous hospital, but it is a pretty important symbol, especially in America. In so many books and movies, it stands for freedom and possibility. On the other hand, roads can also make us think of danger, loneliness, and the violation of nature. In lines 9 until 13, this is a pretty long description of dead plants, especially for a poem this short. This tips us off to the importance of these plants as an image of cold and lifeless winter. More generally, they are symbol of the death that must come before rebirth and new possibility. Next, in line 14 until 15 contain personification figure of speech in the word sluggish and dazed. This word usually apply to humans, and when they are used to describe an object or an idea like spring. In line 16 until 18, these new plants are compared to human babies, another use of personification. The hospital, the man-made object that opened the poem, have a big influence to the way we look at the nature scenes that follow. The hospital becomes a kind of lens that changes the way we see the world in the poem. Next, in line 25, here is point that Williams filled in the little bit in other place in the book, Spring and All. The sentence, profound change has come upon them. The sentence means the word change at the end of the World War I. The sentence describes the condition in the time. The profound change is a metaphor figure of speech in this poem. The condition in the World War I is whole world. In the early 20th century, World War is over. People are producing new and exciting art and philosophy, and starting to see some new prosperity in a general sense. Spring has always been a symbol of new beginnings, but William definitely has some specific things to say about his moment in history. Plants in the poem is chock full of plants, both the dead old ones that winter has left behind and the new ones that are emerging with spring. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.